guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to be doing another vlog yet again. I think that vlogs are probably going to become a thing for me because I'm really warming up to the idea of doing vlogs, and it's pretty exciting and pretty cool. So today I'm going to be spending a few hours with you guys. I am currently not at home. I am vacationing. I'm joking. It's not really a vacation, but I came here on work, and I figured that, you know, I have a chance. I have a moment to myself right now, so might as well do this. And yeah, plus like it's like a pre-exam treatment that I really need, because the next couple of weeks are going to be hectic for me. I'm going to be writing my exams very soon, so yeah, this is more like the girl getting some spa treatment and some you gonna be okay and some you gonna do great, you know, type of thing. So yeah, this is more like a staycation type of thing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to comment, like, and share this video. If you subscribe to my channel, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. So this is me right now, just pretty chilled out. I'm planning to edit a video, a YouTube video that I did last week, and so right now I'm just gonna sit here and edit a video that I did. I think it was on Sunday. And then I also want to fix my hair, because what natural hair enthusiasts don't tell you is that natural hair is the pits, the actual pits. Like, what? Wow, I am unable to keep up. I am unable to even be patient. It's a lot. But anyway, we are going to fix my mfushwa and try to style it in, you know, cute way, and then we'll catch up there. So I'm doing a voiceover for this video that I did because I was doing something. You guys will probably see it. We actually, by the time you see this video, you would have seen that video. So now I'm done editing and I'm just going to try and fix my hair. You guys can see that my hair is the actual ghetto, but I'm just gonna try and do something cute. Oh my goodness, shrinkage. Yo, guys, you think my hair is not long? You see that? Man, shrinkage is real shame. Too real. Anyway, I'll show you guys when I'm done. Sure, I know. I don't even know what to do anymore because of the shrinkage. So this is where we ended with the hair. I hope it's like clear. And I had to go to a meeting, but I'm going back to my room now, and this is the makeup of the day. And that's that. You want to come away? Come.
I'm so granted of everything that I wanted.
Say hi.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm so tired.
It's been a long day for her and a slang day for me, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, ooh, I like the sun. The sun is beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I have the keys here with me. Oh, okay, cool. So yeah, we did the hair, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't take you with me when I was leaving to go to that meeting. I was behind time. So yeah. Anyway, not sure what I'm going to do now. I'm just gonna get in the room, try to loosen up a bit, and that's that. Hi guys, so yesterday I did not get a chance to, update you guys, but nothing much really happened. Right now I'm just checking to see if I'm not forgetting anything because I'm now leaving and it's a bit rushed because of course the girl is running late. But anyway, it's been nice being here, it's been great. Do I have to look here? Alright, this is it. The person I'm working with is leaving me. Why are you leaving?